In this video, I'll show you how you can fix NVIDIA control panel not showing. Now the first step is you want to open up services real quick. From in here, look for NVIDIA display container, double click on it, make sure it's on automatic and make sure it's running. If it says stopped, just press start, apply and OK. After that you want to right click on it and press restart, and then you can close this one down. After that, what you want to do is you want to come down here, search for NVIDIA, find the NVIDIA control panel here under the apps, go to app settings, scroll down, find a reset, and in here you want to press repair. After it's done repairing, you want to press reset. Now after you've done that, you can come to device manager real quick, open it up, find your GPU, which is display adapters, find the one in here, right click on it, update driver, try and update it, and after that you can press uninstall driver, which is going to uninstall your GPU from your PC here. And then what you want to do is go to action, scan for hardware changes, and it's going to reinstall it. Now after that it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't work, the last option we have to do is simply go into apps and features here, search for NVIDIA control panel, uninstall and then reinstall it. Now I really hope this helped fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.